Today, let's go over the form for a barbell reverse lunge. Similar to the squat that we already talked about, when you get that bar on your back, you want to pull the shoulder blades back and down and make sure that the bar is resting on your upper back muscles that you've activated and not the base of your neck. That's going to feel very uncomfortable. So let's get under the bar to start. I'm going to pull my shoulder blades back, open up my chest, bars on the back muscles, step away from the rack. I'm going to have my feet together when I start, chest up. You're only going to do a bit of a hip hinge to make sure that you get some more glute and hamstring activation. I like to start my hinge before I lift any legs so that I'm already starting to feel the glutes and the hamstrings. I'm going to step back, creating a 90-degree angle. Again, with that angle, you want to make sure that your back knee isn't too close to your front ankle. You can see how awkward that feels. High risk of injury, no room to move. And you don't want to step too far back because then you're overstretching and you might tear that back quad or hip flexor. So I'm going to step back, 90-degree angle, try to come down to the floor or an inch or two away from the floor, and we're going to alternate. So you can see how in every rep, I'm just slightly hinging forward, and that's creating that extra hamstring glute activation. Hope this helps. Give it a try.